lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'll be preparing some delicious greens. So these greens are called eyobyo in my language, and they are really healthy. They are recommended by doctors actually to people with healthy complications. So kindly, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, like this video, share it to your friends and family. So welcome to my channel. Stick along and see how we prepare them. We'll start by cleaning them, but cleaning them will take quite some time. Well, that part of the work is done now, so it's time for washing. So I'll be using a saucepan and that. So just like any other greens, in order to keep the nutrients, I'll first wash, then I'll slice it. So now it's clean because the water is good. So I've washed it 3 times. That was right and cold. That's curry powder. Oh la la.